Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
The weekend this week. Thank God for everything. Okay, I want to talk to our Swaggerlious native daughter wife. So no say when matter don't enter media now. Now everybody go carry and who get in own opinion go talk as he see no and reach. Now so it be. So me I get interest for this kind matter. Well. I get interest, so I get interest. No say as me be your mother, and at my age I don't get experience. Mucho experiencia, according to Spanish. Yo tengo mucho experiencia. I get experience well. Particularly, you know, say they always tell you now, say me I get PhD for polygamous home. So this one not be polygamous own matter, but I just talk my own experience. I have PhD. Before person can graduate, can get master degree, can go enter PhD. You go know why, know how you don't go school reach. So now with my endurance and waiting I learn and waiting I learn how I was trained up. So now I feel cope for the polygamous home when I go where I for marry. So I was born and brought up in a polygamous home. So I still go enter there. So I was not having any shaking at all. Me and my own co-wife no quarrel one day, make family come, make they come gather, say, who they quarrel, who they think they happen today, in all day for the years when I spent. With up to today, me and my co-wife, we still they will be like sisters, mother and child, so we be. We they talk, they send me message, how you dey? Me say I see they send a message, I'll see call and he go see call me, we they discuss. Oh, see what this one they do about our children. We dey discuss see how this one be. Didn't go talk me say go see talk my own the correction. Oh yeah, call this one. So we dey do things together. We not go say for my husband house, we know when my children dey in midst of his stepbrothers, you not go no say na his stepbrothers na him dey with them. Be like one, all of them they be like one mother, one father. You not go know the difference because of the one mind, the good mind when we take bring them up, and so it be. So now so me see they advise other people make they see be. Me I enjoy polygamous home well. Me I like them. For my next reincarnation self, I believe say na there I go see be. And there they go see bomb, and there I go see marry. Nothing. Because me I like polygamous home. Now before the Benin people they take and they do parable say where when I went there go we just waking as well. For where now before be that one. I'm here again. I get wajena. Over we are me okay. We cannot say. It cannot really say. And here lele say. That's why we fuck up later a bit. A dog parker cannot say do it. The dog boy no ya mutiame. I will never forget. We know we are many women. You understand? So area we know. We be me. Ivier. Ma fille ke gbia. Neria ya wu. Iya gatia okpa o gati okpa bo ugie ihwenie eri ya yo ime kedi me na lerun ni bi me ba di me na we lerun ni a osalobua no gba ohia be neri ya we gu no be sin ya ni manage ya be agba oge no we de tin iwe gbe ke nwa ni mama be ya gba oge eri be ni ya ni lerun ne ibi me eri me ya na ne emoni be re do ba be ba ni nya ya fefe so pon okpa no ono gbe no go me ge ma oge ma ni. So now so it be. My people, this is Swaggerlious native daughter wife. Now I won't come talk to. Madam, the thing where your husband talk. Now I won't just come tell you. You know, before my can't talk that kind of thing come out for media. You know, say don't they experience some kind thing, maybe some kind stress, some kind pain for us before you can't talk and come outside. maybe don dey conscious you no wan hear. Madam, if you want to save your marriage make you lis ten to wetin your husband talk, make you adopt to wetin he talk, so that you go repair your marriage. This one now, when you say your husband come go dey toast another woman for outside, when he say he wan come bring the nakedness come out, so now you are the cause, because it's supposed you dey satisfy your husband well, you no go get time for another woman. And the truth thing now I wan tell you so. Any woman wey sabi im home well, im husband no go get time to go outside, because he sabi im home, he sabi do everything wey im husband need. Im husband don already satisfy. If that man dey look another woman for outside, say we dey look am like rubbish, because he don satisfy im ekwowa evon. You understand? Yeah, well, owana ekwowa evon ezozo. So madam, make you arrange yourself. You understand? Make you just arrange yourself, make you not let it get, because this one now you not like your husband, I make it talk come outside. Make you not let all those small Lagos girls use waste to collect your husband for you. That time you come turn to Oti Canaba for there. You not go even mind yourself. If you not tell you something, you come out, you go just sit there. And you know what does it? You know that way. Now so some men go just do you wetin you not like. Now when you tire, you will carry your load. Now you by yourself will carry your load come out for the house. So it's better for you now. You will call your husband, sit down. My darling, my lover, my honey, my sweetie, my sugar, my salty. Salty, what you say make I hear what you talk for social media. Why you carry that kind of matter go there? If you just talk, just come out down. Tell am say, which kind way you want make I dey give you now. Maybe that one dey because the only thing when you talk now, is say make you dey give am time. Out of 7 days in a week, maybe if na 2 days, you still fit stay with am for house, make una sit dey play. You understand? Na wetin him want be that. You na every day 24 hours na work, 24 hours na work. Not be so. In that kind thing not good. If you be say when you see come from outside, that you come tell you, maybe you touch you and say I don't tire. Now you this problem when Swaggerlious get, now what Swaggerlious get, now you cause am. Now you are the cause of this problem. Now wetin I just like to tell you be this or both wife. Now wetin I dey tell you be this. I be make una share am bo. Women make una come listen. So now you cause this problem for this our honorable Swaggerlious. So you understand? You know why I like this Swaggerlious? I never see him for face. So that time when he newly enter social media, the contact say he just introduce himself, say wetin him be now, so he just talk. He say him be native doctor. Hey, everybody come laugh. Hey, native doctor just enter social media. From there. Now our co-presenter give am Swaggerlious native doctor. He no reject am. He collect the name, he answer am. He no shame. So that if now some people they go say, why you can't they call me Swaggerlious native doctor? But later many people can't they come out and say they be native doctor, they be pastor, they be this. Why they talk on that and say why person go just come outside for social media saying be native? I say okay, pastor, wait, me come tell them say. What of pastor where they come out? Because they talk say him be pastor, this and that. Say, hey, pastor can showcase in church. Pastor fit showcase in church. Native doctor fit cause he showcase. Showcase what himself they do. Now so it be. Church na business. Native doctor work self na say business. All of them are money. Na money na all of them be. So that is the reason why I just like Swaggerlious that time. As he no shame for the work when he did do. He just admit he not go use the wajo. Make you take come out. Make you take come out say, no, make you take Bible, take cover face as some people they do. You not do like that. Now make me just like her. So anything when you talk you say the truth, and they always like that person. Now so me that kind of person I they like. So now so it be. So my people, make una who know this woman, make una advise am more. Because Swaggerlious don't talk now. make una advise this woman o. This our Swaggerlious native daughter wife, because if another person go collect him husband now, he go come dey say hey na so dey collect him wife o, na so dey collect him husband o, na so dey collect him husband. Òun náà má gé wẹ̀ ojú the phone na orí gbájú òun náà má gé ẹ̀. So he go say dey collect him husband o, na so dem do this one o, na so dem do the other one o. Now you send your husband outside now. Now you send am go outside now, make it go outside. Make you go dey find another man, another woman for outside now. The problem when this Swaggerlious go get for with another woman and you be the cause. Because if supposing you dey satisfy am well, you know your job to do for the house, Swaggerlious no go outside go dey find another girl. So say Swaggerlious, make I still tell you, maybe the first still dey for your hand for some side though. I wan still advise you. Maybe that your wife wey be say e dey go work 24 hours 7 days o, 365 days in a year e dey take am dey go work. No one, no dey get Saturday, no get Sunday wey take dey sit down for house. Maybe you sef still be the cause. Now be your own problem. Na make she dey go work, dey just dey go satisfy herself, make you go come sit down for house. Wetin you wan come sit down for house come do? Maybe you no sabi do the do. That is why your wife dey abandon you, dey comot. You no even know whether somebody dey there. Dey go stay for work 24 hours. When e finish, if you wan come sleep for house, e come. If supposing you sabi romance well, you sabi do the do well, your wife for not dey leave you. So if you no sabi do the do, make you go learn am. Una two go sit down. The way she want am, she go tell you. The way you sef still want am, you go still tell am, so that make you not go dey naked yourself for outside. Your naked picture go come full outside. E no good. So madam, not drive your husband go outside though, because if your husband go outside, Lagos girls stay their way, stay collect am, you go regret o. You go say na so e be. Get many girls where they find husband self where they never born, where they find husband where they never see. All those ones see and carry now. They just see Swaggerlious carry for outside now. Oton a month you no go see Swaggerlious for house. Now you go the waka, they go find am. So as you just say now, when they tell you now, if you don't give you deadline, self say hello.
Hello, sir.
Hey, call.
All right, boy.
You call. You to wait later. Egbera wa.
Egbera ma.
Okay, you to wait later. Go finish now. Okay, now. Later. Okay. So, yeah, stop just now. So, if you not feel hold your husband well, another person go collect her for your hand. He don't give you deadline now. Say from now till February. Maybe one done dey for corner now. Yellow CC dey for corner now. Where we say that they eye each other. If that February reach, just if you just go carry another one. You understand? That time now, when the be hoy, you not can't get it. You not can't get anything. You don't lose your husband for another woman because you not feel satisfied and you not feel arrange your home. So I just can't come out now. I just can't tell you. For these few minutes, may I tell you, make you know how you take arrange yourself from now till December. Make you they give am. If na one style they give am, make you change your style. That woman when call for lege China, that the way say they give W style, wheelbarrow style, dog style, monkey style. Make you contact that woman. If you contact lege go give you that woman number. So the woman go teach you how you go take they give your husband W style. The style when your husband need, though, if you be say you don't need W style just now. The style when your husband say you need, if now go 90, he go tell you. So you go, if you not seeing, if you not know her, you say make he teach you, or you contact lege like that kind of thing where you go visit, tell you, go console you, for you go look, he'll give you counsel for all those kind of things. Abia, go in China. Make you ask her, make you give you that woman number. When say where you talk say get Ikebuzon, say 9 get. Me I don't know as your own Ike baby, but Ask that woman I take they do W style, wheelbarrow style, dog style, monkey style, everything. The woman go tell you. So make you dey give your husband. Make your husband say na February don reach for here. Where we dey na October don dey go. November, December, January, just 3 months na dey the middle. After 3 months now, Swaggerlious don gbefuwa o. If you no know your way, you understand. Me I dey repair home, I no dey scatter home. You understand? So let me just tell you now, make you know how you take quick arrange and adjust yourself. If na cruise or na school, you go learn how to do am. Find somebody where go teach you how to do W style. Make you know your way well. Because now wetin dey bring problem for some men be that. Some men, if you just dey satisfy them with that one, they no go even worry. You sabi cook or you no sabi cook. They are less concerned about all those kind of things. You understand? So I beg me I attend to my lovely sister. Welcome me just now. Okay, una bye till next time. I don't advise you. Now the advice when I get to give you, na be that obo yourself. If you know since I be do am well, make yourself still go learn. Maybe the way you dey do am, she not like, and that is why she not dey remember you to come. She not dey remember saying get husband to come back from work. You understand? It's supposed you dey do am well, the thing go dey sweet and she not go dey leave you dey comot. Be like say you not sabi am. So make yourself see adjust yourself, make you know the way you take do am. Not go dey toast for outside. Native doctor not supposed to dey do all those kind of things. Go dey toast. You don't know whether that woman get good spirit now. Where you want go toast and go carry bad spirit now. Wetin dey for your body now, e come spoil. Wetin you can't talk. Where not they go. Me I know the advice man make it dey flirt, because flirt not good. So if you see one, this one wey dey with you, so anyone will be say you una too not understand una self, so make una understand una self. Make you tell her the way you go take do, and you himself go sit tell you not go understand una self. Problem. My Ghana ya carry. If not be so, you call the worker, they go outside. Now so your nakedness go just dey fly up and down. They go. They go for everywhere. You like her. All those kind of things not good. That's why I say she not get husband. All those kind of things not good. Yeah? Not good. Not do them again. Teach your wife how you go take they satisfy you. Make yourself see teach yourself. Make your wife see teach you how you see they satisfy her. So if una two can settle on yourself, if you it's under months you must marry, just find the one when be say you know say not go embarrass you. All this shame and disgrace where you get and not good. Find the way you take find this one when you be say no embarrass when you go pay the dowry. Find that one. Make you just know say you want to marry and not be the one you want spoil in life. You understand? Any married man we say don't marry, when I know say you won't just play with my pikin anyhow. Yeah, if your boy you're all like because I know the yak bizarre back do move your turn do down way we had when that one you know be say you go marry am, you just want go use less in life, use 200 euro just take spoil in life for her. Later now you go now you now consider the say I don't see go, I don't broke that one, I don't broke this one. All those kind of things they vex me. And that make me I don't like them. I don't like that kind of thing. You not go marry the girl now. You want come marry and join the children when you get. And if you want marry, just find the one where be say just sit there like this your own now. If you know say it's other must you must marry another woman. Find peaceful one where be say no go narrate you, no go give you shame. So just marry her and you let the woman this one still know say you okay since he like him work well, you know if you sit down for house, okay. I want to marry another one. You marry another one, they go stay for house peacefully. Everybody go there doing go the way this one not get chance, this one go get chance. And so it be. You understand? Not be say I forbid you. Me I like polygamous somewhere well. I like if I be man, say me I not go marry one woman. I not go wait go come make me marry one woman. When different woman do for outside. Hell, I go marry the one when fat. I go marry the one when slim. The one when get flat in I go marry. The one when the baby like Uzon, I go marry her. Different one, yellow purple, black all of them tall and short to thin one. I go marry all of them put for us. Different tribe I go marry. It's supposed I be man. Me and for no man waiting nothing for make me marry one woman. No day. Suppose I be man. And so nine. So me if I see man when say one marry plenty wife and he know say he get the mind, he get the ability to do like King Solomon, you are very free. Because women too plenty. God wey create women pass men no dey craze. God know wetin dey do na make woman get sense. In God know the reason why he create women more than men. The population of women is more than that of men. So any man when say he wan marry 2 3, me I no dey say make he no marry o. Make he marry so that all those problems wey dey for outside go dey reduce. Na so e be. So me I no see any problem when say man marry 2 3 wife. I no see o. E no do me anything. Ma fi mi roporopa him egbere. Anyway, ma fi ma we nigga se kenya sebe de na keneti wa be se na dia ye be gbera kenije na wa kwa ye be gbera o 60 pass here tomorrow I 50 pass. It not disturb me. They not give me problem. Me I not give them problem. And so for my father house they not give me problem. Me not give them problem. Where I still go marry where I born my children put. They not give me problem. I not give them problem. We live in peace. Then they call me. My stepchildren they call me. Myself I they call them. If they need my help, I still do for them. I need their help, they still do for me. Now, so Bona, so Bona with Samen Bona, they're there for live video for a year. They're there for Facebook. If I talk like they'll be my friends for Facebook self. If I talk like they go see and say, when I will talk, therefore don't come bring my nyash, come and say, so I don't mind no more. This one. No. I love all of them as I love my children. They love as they love my so they even love my children past their own. The one where we say their mama born self. The way they take the hold my children, they know they hold their one the same mother with them. They know they hold on like that. I will just look and say, people go to talk say polygamous home no good. But my own, the one I see good though, my own good though. And because me, mama beg anything. I don't say anything bad in it. No house no person not the quarrel. And if we just see quarrel, we just still forget the quarrel come up for there. Now so it be. So now so. Make I go answer my sister welcome me. Una good night o. Till next time. Make una advise Swaggerlious lady daughter wife well o. Because February don reach grand. O say na zegela janita ma na we wu no da for gie. Do ma no make na nia. Ya we no mugbina. O ka no mugbina o ka mwezo. O say me na zege ka bwezo na ezo me e wa emu na nia o. Na so iri show. Wa akode o akodi to robo.